Hi everybody, I hope you're all well. It's Miss Ring here. This week in maths we're going to be working on multiplication, so timesing, and we're going to be drawing arrays to help us find the answer. Now here I've got an example of an array. I've got 3 groups of 3 here. So this array would be for the number sentence 3 times 3 equals 9. But each array can look different depending on the number sentence that you do with it. So our first question or statement is 3 groups of 2. So I know that I need 2 in each group and that there needs to be 3 groups altogether. So I'm going to use these circles to make my groups. So I've got 1 group of 2, but I need to keep going. 2 groups of 2. And now 3 groups of 2. My first group is here, my second group of 2 is here, and my third group of 2 is here. So now I've got 3 groups of 2. So now I've done my array. Now I'm ready to move on to writing my addition, my repeated addition number sentence. So because I know that there are 2 in each group, I'm going to add 2 over and over. So I'm going to do 2, add 2, add 2. Because there are 3 groups of 2, so I need to add 2 3 times, equals. Now, this magnifier sign came up last time, and I don't know why, so I'm going to just delete it and hope it goes away. Hope it doesn't ruin this video. Add my equals in. So now to find the answer, I'm going to count in 2. So I've got 2, 4, 6. So the answer to 2 add 2 add 2 is 6. Now I can work out my multiplication sentence. So because there are groups of 2, there are 2 in each group, I'm going to do 2 times, and as there are 3 groups, it's 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3. And we already know that that equals 6. So here I've done an array for the statement 3 groups of 2, a repeated addition number sentence, and a multiplication number sentence. Okay, our second statement says 5 groups of 4. So I know that each group needs to have 4 counters in it. When you're doing this in your pack at home, you might not have counters, so you can draw circles instead. So I'm going to do my first group of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I've got 1 group of 4, but I need to keep going until I have 5 groups of 4. So now I have 2 groups of 4, but I will keep going. I feel like I should have picked a statement that had less groups in, because this is taking quite a long time. I'm sorry everybody. Stay with me. Now we've got 4 groups of 4. I will keep going for our last group. Actually, I'm going to put it over here so that there's space to do my number sentences. So now I have 5 groups of 4. My first group is here. My second group is here. Third group of 4. Fourth group of 4. Fifth group of 4. Oops. So now I have 5 groups of 4. So now I'm ready to do my repeated addition number sentence. So as they are groups of 4, I'm going to be adding 4. And there are 5 groups, so I'm going to add 4 5 times. So 4, add 4, add 4, add 4, add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I can put my equals in. And that magnifier has come up again. I don't know why. I'm just going to delete it. I don't know why that keeps coming up. So to find the answer, I don't want to count in ones. That's going to take a long time. So I'm going to count in 4s. So I've got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So 4 add 4 add 4 add 4 add 4 equals 20. Now I'm ready to go on to my multiplication number sentence. So as as I have groups of 4, I'm going to put 4 in first and then my times sign. And as there are 5 groups, I'm going to do times 5. And we have already worked out that it equals 20. So my array shows 5 groups of 4, and I have used that to write a repeated addition and a multiplication number sentence to find the answer. Okay, so now we've got the multiplication number sentence 3 times 5, and I'm going to draw an array to help me find the answer. So as my starting number is 3, I know that I need 3 in each group. So I'm going to get 3 circles and put them in a 9. I'm using this squared paper here, and I've added this into your pack as well to help ensure that your groups are nice and neat. You don't want one here and then one over here and then another one over here, because that is really messy and things could get confusing. So I'm going to keep my groups really neat so I don't make any mistakes. So there I have got one group of 3, so I've got 3 times 1. But I know I've got 3 times 5 here, so I'm going to keep going. So after saying to keep it neat, the circles are not going perfectly in the box, but I'm going to still make sure they go down in a nice, neat, straight line. It's not going in the box properly. Now I've got 2 groups of 3, so 3 times 2, but I know I need to keep going because the question says 3 times 5. I don't know why the circle is not going into the box, like in the middle, so I'm just going to put it like that. Now I've got 3 times 3, 3 groups of 3. Four groups of 3, so 3 times 4. And finally 5 groups of 3, so 3 times 5. So to find the answer here, I'm going to count in 3s. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So I know that the answer is 15.